to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Oh, if I could have you, I would float and touch the moon.
Know that when I'm with you, there's nothing we can't do. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love.
I don't know if this is love. I don't know if this is love, but
Hey.
이거 연장 키트 아마존에서 사서
아 진짜야?
해봤거든요.
어땠어요?
한국 가기 전에
네.
망해가지고 진짜 다리 터져버렸어.
아 진짜야?
진짜 이거 어려운 거구나.
이거 연장 처음에 저도 연장 처음에 진짜 할 때 진짜 힘들었어요.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. It's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child
그냥 픽스 젤로 올려드릴게요. 아마 블루 아니셔도 막 험하게 쓰세요. 그럼 블루로. 그러면 블루로.
If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love. Oh, it's
아, 저 여기 에이스랑
아 대박.
네, 그 혹시 텐텐
완전
좋아하세요?
좋아. 오, 텐텐이 팔아요 미국에?
아니 아버지가 전에 한국 갔다 오셔가지고
대박.
네, 그래서 혹시 좋아하실까 해서
진짜 감사해요.
이게
와.
뭔가 추억의 맛이어가지고
맞아요. 너무 저
네.
진짜 텐텐 좋아하거든요. 텐텐 진짜 추억을 이거 진짜 초등학교 때 먹었던 건데 대박이다.
Take my hand, hold it tight. Look at the paintings I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. No name might be too
이번
much,
주말에는
but
저도 다시
맞아요. 하필이면 이렇게 봄봄한 네일을 할 때
I know that you're trying.
오늘도 진짜 잘 나올 건데 그게 잘 났을 텐데 그쵸?
그쵸. 날씨만 좋았으면.
I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, your sleepy eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me.
귀엽죠?